and today we're going to be making homemade ice cream. And we got this idea from Venture Academy, the science first thing. They did this homemade ice cream because the stores are out of ice cream. So we're just making it with the stuff we have. So let's get started. Okay, now you're going to want to save up a bunch of ice cubes and get something like this. And the top, it can be coffee can if you have it, or you can do it nuts, which is full of nuts. We're not going to waste the nuts. We're not going to get like 100. So you can use whatever you want, but it has to be a round thing. So you put our ice cubes. Oh, okay, it's going to be a round ice cream. Okay, now we're going to make our ice cream part. Our ice cream part. So they have chocolate milk, and we want to make it sweet milk because theirs are flavored and ours are unsweet milk. So we're going to add a little things. So we're going to have 1 cup of, milk. Any milk you want. You can use this or that. There you go. Now 1/4 sugar, 1/4 cup of sugar. Mix that in to make it sweet. Now we're gonna have some vanilla. Oh, this vanilla is hard. Oh, there we go. Kind of hurts when I open up vanilla. Now let's mix it in a little bit. Okay, now we're going to add some chocolate chips. Just, they didn't have the chocolate chips in the recipe, the Venture Academy recipe, but we're just going to add it. Oh. We can add in the ice cream. Gonna mix it up. Okay, now we're going to put it in the Ziploc bag and make sure it's totally shut. We don't want, spilling out. This is hard. I might need 2 people. Okay, now we're going to put our 1/2 cup of salt into the ice. Because when the salt touches the ice, it melts. And now it's going to become the milk is going to become ice cream. So we're going to want to pour. Put it in quick because we don't want it to melt. Put the top on. Now for the fun part. Here we get to roll it. This is for 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Wow. The salt lowers the freezing point of the ice. Since the ice melts, this goes into the ice cream part. Okay, now we're going to check on it. Let's see what this becomes. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. It's so cold and wet though. Pour it in. Oh my god, this is so amazing. Like the best. Oh, it's way even more. It's even more. Oh my god, my hands. They're freezing. Oh, the ice cubes are freezing. Okay. We're gonna eat it. Thank y'all for watching. Bye. Happy National Ice Cream Hot Day. That's awesome.